Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very sad news that when the whole world was busy purchasing vaccines throughout the globe for their citizens and investing millions and billions in the vaccine producing companies throughout the globe, our government, Modi government, was busy in thali, diya, beating thalis and burning diyas and so on. And many idiots and buffoons were following him. Modi government was busy in blaming Tablighi Jamaat, Muslims. Godi media barking like dogs and swines against Muslims, against Tablighi Jamaat. Situation was such worst that a total of no less than 6.5 crore, 65 million vaccines were exported outside. So do oxygen. Things had become worse from bad under Modi government. Modi government was busy in Central Vista and Modi government busy in rallies and Kumbh Mela. And today dogs and crows and eagles are eating the dead bodies of Hindus and Hindustanis, Indians. What will happen in future, Allah knows the best, if this government survives. Worst kind of rule. Buffoons are ruling now. Worst kind of rule. Because of that, out of the top 5 world leaders who mishandled COVID situation badly, number 1 is Modi, as per the survey recently done. The top leader who have mishandled COVID badly, number 1 is Modi in the world. What a shame for us. This Sanghi government, Modi, BJP, RSS, Amit Shah government destroyed Bharat, destroyed India. Shameless, spineless, worthless fellows according to me. Because of this, I say still time is there. Look at Saudi Arabia. Invest more and more in vaccine producing companies, invest more and more in vaccine purchase, and this particular information that we are lacking behind in purchasing vaccine from other countries for more than a year is given by Dr. Kang, a top virologist and a member of Supreme Court committee. He said, situation is literally out of hand. Invest in vaccine producing companies like Serum. Don't push Agarwala to run to England. Help him in expansion. Provide him with money like other nations are doing. Look at Saudi Arabia. Come towards only Creator God Allah. Worship Him alone. Obey His final messenger Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Have peace, prosperity, success, security. Have sensibility. Have Islam. Protect India, protect Indians. Islam.